Hi, I'm Richard, and today we'll be making our favorite feline fizzer, Lucky Cat Bath Bomb. Jimmy will be compounding. This cat is made up of two mixes, a soft yellow base and a darker golden insert. We start with the base color, then add a blend of fragrant essential oils including heavenly jasmine, uplifting neroli, and heady ylang. Next we pour in plenty of our signature baking soda for its fizzy, skin softening properties. We combine it with the color and fragrance and blend everything together. Now let's add an out-of-this-world touch with colorful plastic-free stars and blend again before setting it aside as we make our lucky gold insert. We start with plenty of bright color and more fizzy baking soda. We blend until we reach the perfect shade of sunshine yellow, press our mix into little blocks, and then snuggle them inside the reusable plastic molds already filled with our base mix. We leave our kitties to set and spray them with perfectly pink plastic-free shimmer, so this cat's ready to shine in a bath near you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see in our next How It's Made video. Cool, man.